Finally, I found this website selling sneakers for 80% off. What a steal. I just need to log in and put my card info.
Wait, are you sure that site is real? It's like in the snitchy.
Oh, it looks fine to me, I think.
Another vector. This is my fake site. Once he enters password, I have everything. Yes! He enters email and password. Now I can access his account. Maybe even his bank.
Wait, what? My screen just froze? Did I get hacked?
Yep, that's wave attack. Hackers use fake website or inject code into real ones. To steal information, you just feel for a phishing attack. There are many types of wave attack. First, phishing, like what you just clicked. Second, SQL injection. Hackers sneak into databases. And third, cross-site scripting, inserting harmful code into a website. And last, denial of service, flooding a site until it crashes.
Wow, so what should I do to avoid next time?
Simple. Click if the site uses HTTPS. And second, don't click suspicious link. And third, use strong password. And fourth, turn on two-factor authentication. And five, keep your browser and apps updated.
Fogged again by cybersecurity awareness.
Lesson learned. I'll be careful next time.
Exactly. Web attack can happen anytime. But if we stay alert, hacker won't win.